Hello, this is David. Welcome to the Everlasting Mobility YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about the IQ-7000 remote control electric wheelchair. Are you looking for an affordable, lightweight, and airline-approved folding electric wheelchair? Meet the IQ-7000. This heavy-duty chair supports up to 350 pounds with an 18-inch wide seat, ensuring comfort and durability. Weighing only 64 pounds for the manual model and 67 pounds for the automatic model, the IQ-7000 folds in 3 seconds and can easily be put in the trunk of a car, making it perfect for travel and storage. Customize your chair with 4 frame colors and multiple cushion options. Choose between manual and automatic folding features. Control the wheelchair remotely within 10 yards, including folding and unfolding, with the unique remote control. It even features auto-fold using the controller for added convenience. Perfect for travel, the IQ-7000 is airline approved and lightweight, ideal for those on the go. Its all-terrain capability, with dual engines and shock absorber suspension, ensures a smooth ride over various surfaces. Powered by lithium batteries, it includes joystick controls and under-seat storage. The IQ-7000 remote control electric wheelchair combines functionality, convenience, and style. Explore the world with ease. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates from Everlasting Mobility.